Hello everyone, welcome to another video to help you through the airports in English. Are you ready? Let's go, because this could be a long video if I do a long introduction. Let's jump straight in. So, the first place that you'll get to in the airport is called check-in. Check-in, or the check-in desk, or baggage drop. Any one of those they might be called, so you just head towards those, and then they are probably going to ask you a number of questions. Like, have you already checked in? This means, have you already got the seats for your flight? You might have done this online. If not, they'll say, please may I see your passport? Please may I see your passport? Or you could ask, would you like to see my passport? Would you like to see my passport? They will ask you normal security questions like, do you have any of these items in your luggage? They'll show you a picture with lots of restricted items. This is the same over the whole world, so please just don't put those things in your luggage. Then you need to head towards security. Security is what we call it in the UK airports. The easiest way to find security, as we call it, is to head towards departures. It may be called departures in the airport, it may be called security, so just try to look for one of those words, okay? As you go through security, there are a number of things they will ask you to do with pictures. You know that you need to remove laptops from bags. This means move your portable computer from inside your bag to outside your bag. They'll also ask if you can move any liquids or remove any liquids from your bags and put them in a separate bag next to your stuff, okay? They may ask you to remove your belt, or they may ask you even to remove your shoes. Just do everything they say. They may ask one new thing which happens in some airports in the UK and across the world now, which is to stand inside the full body scanners. Again, just do as the pictures show. Okay? If you are selected for any extra security measures, don't worry. It's just a random selection. You'll have to open your bag. They'll say, please may you open your bag for me, please. They might say please twice. And all you need to do is open the bag and perhaps start to unpack the bag. Just do what they say. They may ask you to just show me this or show me that, move this or move that, okay? Once you're through border security or security, you will be in the duty-free area. This is where you can do shopping or eating or drinking or obviously maybe finding a toilet after all that waiting at security. The next step for you is to go to the boarding gate. The boarding gate. Watch for your number of the gate on the screens, and then you need to go to that gate at the time that they tell you. At the time they tell you, okay? When you get there, they will ask you again for your passport and your boarding pass, your ticket. Please may I see your passport and your boarding pass. That's how they will say it. Once you're on the flight, follow the instructions they give you. They may ask you, please fasten your belts. This means please do up your seat belt. Depending on the flight you're on, they may ask, would you like something to drink? This might cost money and it might not. The same with food. They may offer you choices for food. Depending on what flight you're on, you may want to accept that or not, okay? One question that you might ask on the flight is, may I have a blanket please? May I have a blanket please? This is if you get cold, okay? If you get too hot, I don't think there's a huge amount you can do. I think there's air conditioning above you, which is okay. but may I have a blanket please for when you get cold. So next you'll get to passport control, and they may ask you a few questions. They'll ask, please may I see your passport? They will ask, are you here for business or a holiday or pleasure? They may say pleasure instead of holiday. Depending on where you're visiting, they may ask, where are you staying? They may ask for an address, or they may ask, how long are you staying for? So just answer honestly, everything will be fine. Once you're through passport control, you need to go to baggage reclaim. Baggage reclaim, if you have any checked in baggage on the plane that you need to wait for. If your bag is lost, go to the lost baggage area. If not, take your bag and off you go on holiday. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was really helpful, and I hope the next time that you go to a UK airport or an English speaking airport that you have more confidence to be able to use these phrases and listen for the key phrases that I've told you, and hopefully you'll be more confident when you do. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe or comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you.